Hi, I'm Haig Davidson, Customer Advocacy Manager. For the past decade, the Mitsubishi brand has experienced unprecedented growth in New Zealand. In order to ensure it continues into the next decade, we need to know more about who is buying our vehicles. Traditionally, we've collected minimal data about our customers, but that needs to change. It isn't an intrusive amount, basically no more than a customer would need to open a Netflix account, but it will make a big difference to our ability to engage with our customers. We've updated VOLS to reflect this, and we will take you through the process now.
The initial profile screen will show minimum required fields with red boxes. We have allowed staggered data entry so as to not slow profile completion during busy times like end of month. These minimum required fields will need to be completed before the profile can be submitted and show on your desale list as a sale. Purchaser and registration details will still pre-populate based on NZTA's registration records, providing the customer has not elected to keep their NZTA details private. Demo and pre-reg profiles will continue to pre-populate with Sales Manager details, as pulled from the Sales Manager details loaded into VOLS screen DLR and M. Major fleet and lease profiles will increasingly pre-populate with details as held on file in our Fleet CRM customer management system. This is to ensure profile vehicles are attributed to the correct company file in VOLS. It's important to note that the address details on these profiles may not always exactly match the address on registration. For example, if you are profiling a vehicle registered to, for example, Aon Nelson, the profile will pre-populate with the Aon head office address details. This is not a concern. Submit the profile with the details that pre-populate on screen. You will then have 3 working days to complete the rest of the required fields on the profile. Remaining required fields will be marked with pink boxes. Additional information includes date of birth, gender, occupation, vehicle price, total sale price, including accessories but excluding trade-in, purchase type, finance, business type, fleet size, VOSA upload, and genuine accessories. Email is also mandatory. Incomplete profiles will be stored for these 3 working days in VOLS screen, Vehicle Profiling Tank VProf. This is where you will click back in to complete each profile. Right-click on the vehicle concerned and select Edit Vehicle Profile. Alert emails will be sent out to sales managers after 24 hours, again after 48 hours, and then the final alert will state that due to the profile being incomplete, this sale no longer qualifies for target incentive payment. VProf clearly shows the expiry time against each profile, and when a unit no longer qualifies for incentive payment, this will be reflected on desale. the vehicle will show yes, yes under qualify units silver gold, but no, no under qualify dollars silver gold. VProf will default to show only incomplete profiles still within the qualifying window. To instead see all recently submitted profiles in the screen, you can tick the box at the top right of the screen marked Show All Recent Profiles.
We recognise the need for flexibility around this, as there might be the rare occasion that not all the information is available at the time when the profiling is done. Should you have any questions or concerns regarding the timeframe, please get in touch with the MMNZ Administration Manager before the expiry deadline.
From September the 1st, genuine MMNZ accessories sold with each purchase will need to be reported on profiles. These will be cross-checked against the VOSs loaded into the profiles and will be ordered against the dealership's parts purchase history. Any anomalies will be investigated thoroughly. For example, if 39 genuine tow bars are reported on profiles, but only 20 were ordered by the dealership. Misreporting of accessory sales will be treated as a serious breach, as accessory sales will now be part of the Sales Gains program. To keep things simple, the profile screen will bring up a list of top-selling accessories against that model base. You will be required to put a tick against each genuine accessory sold with this vehicle. RRP shown on screen and counting towards the RRP accessory total per sale will be set at the highest RRP level for that group of accessories. This gives maximum benefit points to the sales rep to which the sale is attributed. If there is a genuine approved accessory that is required but not listed on screen, submit the profile without it. Then send an email to Stephen Mooney and Hayley Rowland White with the details of the stock number and missing accessory. They will add this to the system and profile for you. Starting from October, there will be 5 bonus points awarded towards the 2019 sales gains for every Triton sold with accessories totaling an RRP value of $2,500 or more. Sales reps will be able to review the accessory points they've been awarded for each sale when they double-click on their name on the Sales Gains reporting screen, SIPIQ.
Thank you for your time, and we hope you appreciate the value this can provide. Knowing more about our customers will help us provide industry-leading customer service, continue to refine our product development, increase customer retention, develop tailored offers, and better target our marketing. Basically, getting to know our customers a little better will benefit us all. An extra 5 minutes of data entry at the point of sale could be the difference in creating a lifetime relationship with our customers.